To cook this chicken thigh, first we need to remove the bone. Here I made several cuts on the chicken thigh, and this is not good looking, but it definitely will shorten the cooking time, and it will help the seasoning to penetrate the meat. Here's the bone. You don't want to throw it away. You can keep it in the freezer, and later you can use it to make a chicken stock. To season the chicken, I mix some ginger. Ginger is a magic ingredient for marinate meat, especially chicken and pork. It can make the taste better, and also it can make the meat tender. Ginger is a good herb which has an anti-inflammatory effect. Many diseases are related to the inflammation, including dementia. Garlic is another spice used for making barbecue chicken. Let's season the chicken thigh. Here I add some salt, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Black pepper, cooking wine. Mix them well. And put it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Let's make some simple barbecue sauce. First, I add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. One teaspoon of vinegar. Any type of vinegar will do. Basically, you just want your barbecue sauce sweet and sour. And 2 tablespoons of water. One teaspoon of tapioca starch. I heat the pan on a low heat and stir with the chopstick. The liquid will thicken over time. When you see the small bubbles at the edge of the liquid, which means it's almost done. You can use it today, or you can keep it in the refrigerator up to 7 days. Here I use a 10-inch cast iron pan, and I put the chicken thigh with the skin side down. You don't need to add extra oil because the fat on the chicken skin will melt. I cook the chicken thigh for 6 minutes on each side on medium to high heat. Six minutes later, I flip the thigh. Then I add 2 tablespoons of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, all the liquid will be evaporated, and then I add barbecue sauce on both sides of the chicken thigh. Then cook 1 minute on each side. Chicken thigh is a good food for providing high protein. If you are pregnant, if you are building muscles, and you are a senior or you are a child, you need a lot of protein in your diet. There's also a benefit to have chicken skin in your diet. Chicken skin is a good source for collagen. For women who want to have a beautiful skin, collagen is essential. Chicken skin also has a lot of chicken fat on it. Chicken fat is a very healthy oil. It contains 40% saturated fat and 60% unsaturated fat. Similar to olive oil, chicken fat also contains 40% monounsaturated fat, which is very good for your health. So if you need healthy fat in your diet, don't forget the chicken fat. I serve this dish with pasta and vegetables because I want to have a balanced diet. Chicken thigh is a good source for protein and oil, but the vegetable is for dietary fibers and vitamins. The pasta is good source for carbohydrates. Sorry for the interruption. If you get this message, please subscribe so that you can find me easily. Thank you for watching Yummy Bravo, Cooking with Love. Have a great day.